you.
Hi, we have had a lot of people ask how you adjust a baby, so I wanted to do a video to show you how I would adjust Barrett, who is 7 weeks old. I'm going to start at the top of his neck and work down his spine and feel areas that are restricted or subluxated and need adjusted. So I will start at the top here. I'm using pressure that's no more than you would feel comfortable putting on your eyelid. So not a lot of pressure. A little spot up here. And I'm going to work my way down the back of his neck and down his spine, using his body weight to feel areas that need adjusted. And Barrett's big sister is here helping us today too. In his mid back there, there's a spot. So again, I'm just using the weight of his body and my finger on his spine to help that segment adjust. Very gentle for the little ones. He's still sleeping. Good. And I'm going to flip him over so I can check his pelvis. A little spot on his pelvis here. And I just like to work my way back up, just making sure that everything is well adjusted. Good job. And that is how we adjust babies here in our office. There are many other things we can do with babies, but today that was just a full spine adjustment. Depending on the complaint or condition, we can look at other areas to see if that they need work on. But little Barrett here is doing great.